How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Instagram feed is not refreshing. The problem may appear if your app isn't updated to the latest version or if there is glitches or bugs. Now, first head over to your App Store or Play Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you go to App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if your app isn't updated to the latest version, you'll get update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now if there is an update option, update it, and once you do that, if the problem still persists, now head over to settings, and once on settings, go to apps. Once you are on apps, search for Instagram. Now if you're on iPhone, you'll get the option on your settings on your apps to upload the app, so you can upload the app, and on an Android you'll see clear data and clear cache. Now all you need to do is clear your cache and clear your data too. Now once you do this, head over to Play Store and check if any update is available again, and once you update it, if the problem still continues, what you can do is contact the support team and report the problem. Now to do that, head over to your Instagram profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and go to three-line icon that you can find on the top right, and here go to settings, and once on settings, if you scroll down below, you'll get the option help. Now tap on help and you'll get the option report a problem. Open it, and here you can include your screenshots of your feed not refreshing, or if you don't want to, you can include, but it will be better if you include, and tap on include and continue, and it will attach your screenshot. You can upload it by randomly taking a screenshot of the problem and then explain your problem here and send it to Instagram. Now after you do this, Instagram will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours and they'll help you to fix your issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.